to my channel. As you guys can see, we are in for a good one today because I'm bringing you all the way in the bathroom, in the shower, honey. And you guys know that doesn't really happen a lot here on my channel. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, the first thing you need to do is subscribe to my channel, join the family, and become a cousin. And the second thing that everybody needs to do is make sure that your notifications are turned on with the option selected to all and not personalized, so that you get all. I told you guys that I had initially been skeptical about using the hair paint wax for my hair because I do have low porosity hair, which means that my hair is prone to build up. I asked you guys if you would be interested in a follow-up video with me just talking about, you know, how I feel immediately after washing the hair paint wax out of my hair and if I had any issues with getting it out. And quite a few of you guys did say that you were interested in that video, so that's what we're doing today. So this is what my hair is looking like right before I hop in the shower. shampoo my low porosity hair, I do shampoo it twice just to make sure that my hair is completely clean and reset for the next style. So I'm going to shampoo my hair once with a detoxifying shampoo from Maui Moisture and follow that shampoo up with a moisturizing and detangling shampoo from Shea Moisture. Both of these shampoos are sulfate free for demonstration purposes, just because I wanted to see how easily the wax washed out with an everyday curly shampoo. For the purposes of the video, I decided to delay my deep clarify another week, but I will be doing an Aztec clay detox mask next week to get anything still left behind, because the number one tip I have for my low porosity girls is always to make sure your hair is clean and free from buildup. My initial thoughts rinsing out the wax was that the hair definitely felt a little drier in the areas I had the purple versus the rest of my hair, but it wasn't anything alarming. After shampooing once, I definitely felt like I had all the color out of my hair and I didn't see any remnants of the wax, so that's the answer to the first question. It definitely comes out very easily. By the second shampoo, and definitely after I added my conditioner, my hair pretty much felt like it was back to its normal state. I didn't feel any extreme buildup and no waxy residue, so my verdict for the hair paint wax and low porosity hair is a pass and a plus. I think it's perfectly safe and won't cause any issues on low porosity hair. Of course, everyone will be different, and you definitely want to make sure that you actually clarify your natural hair at least once a month to make sure that you're getting rid of any buildup and also retaining moisture. But if you maintain all of your healthy hair practices, I think this is a great way to have fun and experiment with color.